তাকে মুকুল রায়কে উত্তরীয় দিয়ে সম্মান জানাবেন সর্বভারতীয় তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের সাধারণ সম্পাদক সাংসদ অভিষেক বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। এবার শুভ্রাংশু রায়কেও উত্তরীয় পরিয়ে অভিষেক বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি।
That where you see Mukul Roy just joining the Trinamool Congress along with another leader from the BJP. There have been speculations that have been doing the rounds that Mukul Roy will join the TMC, that have been doing the rounds since a couple of weeks. But now you have visuals that show Mukul Roy has now joined TMC once again.
এই জন্য আমরা অভিনন্দন জানাচ্ছি। পার্থ চ্যাটার্জি আমাদের সেক্রেটারি জেনারেল, তিনি তাকে অভিনন্দন জানিয়েছেন এবং স্বাগত জানিয়েছেন। সুব্রত বক্সী, সুব্রত মুখোপাধ্যায়, জাভেদ খান, ফিরাদ হাকিম সবাই আছে, সব আমাদের সহকর্মীরা। আমি মুকুলের যদি কিছু বলার থাকে মুকুলকে বলবার জন্য অনুরোধ করব।
Mamata Banerjee has just now welcomed Mukul Roy in the TMC once again, and now let's listen into what Mukul Roy has to say.
আমার আজকে নিজের খুব ভালো লাগছে যে অত্যাধিক সব পুরনো ছেলেগুলোর সাথে আমার দেখা হচ্ছে। আমার অত্যন্ত ভালো লাগছে যে ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি থেকে বেরিয়ে এসে এই নতুন আঙিনায় আমি যাদের সাথে দেখা হচ্ছে, কথা বলতে পারছি, আমার খুব ভালো লাগছে এবং এটা ভাবছি যে বাংলা আবার তার নিজের জায়গায় ফিরবে।
Well, Mukul Roy once again now has said that he is feeling really well, that he has come out of the BJP and has now joined TMC, and now he goes on to say that Bengal will once again stand the way that it used to be years back.
মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়, তিনি কিছু বলার থাকলে আপনি বলুন।
আপনাদের যদি কোনো কোয়েশ্চেন থাকে আপনারা অল্প অল্প করে, একদম গাদা গাদা করবেন না। বাইরে বৃষ্টি আসছে, আবার বিদ্যুৎ চমকাচ্ছে। বাড়ি আপনাদেরও ফিরতে হবে সাবধানে, এখানেও যারা আছে তাদেরও সাবধানে ফিরতে হবে। একটা দুটো দিদি করবো। হ্যাঁ, কি হলো দিদি? দিদি একটা প্রশ্ন আছে, করব?
বিস্তারিতভাবে বলবো যে কেন আজকে ঘরে ফিরেছি, কেন সবার সাথে বসেছি, মিশেছি, কথা বলছি। এটা একটা বিস্তারিত জবাব আছে, সেই বিস্তারিত জবাব লিখিতভাবে আপনাদের দেবো।
Well, Mukul Roy just said that there is a detailed version of answers that he has prepared for the reasons as to why he has once again joined TMC, and that Mukul Roy will give out in a written statement and will not say out in words right now.
করব না, সেই কারণেই সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়ে আমি আমার পুরনো ঘরে ফিরে গেছি।
দিদি, আপনার কাছে একটা প্রশ্ন। মুকুলদা যে এলেন, দল কিভাবে শক্তিশালী হলো যদি একটু বলেন।
দল আমাদের অলরেডি শক্তিশালী। আপনারা দেখেছেন আমরা ল্যান্ডস্লাইড ভিক্টরি নিয়ে এসেছি সাধারণ মানুষকে নিয়ে। মুকুল আমাদের পুরনো পরিবারের ছেলে এবং ওকেও অনেক রকম চমকে ধমকে এজেন্সি দেখিয়ে অনেক কিছু, ওর ওপরেও অত্যাচার কম হয়নি। তবে আমি মনে করি মুকুল এখানে আসাতে মুকুল নিজে মানসিক একটা শান্তি পেল, কারণ ওর শরীরটাও আমি দেখছিলাম খারাপ হয়ে যাচ্ছিল, হয়তো মুখে বলতে পারছিল না। কিন্তু বিজেপি করা যায় না, এবং বিজেপিতে যারা আছে তাদের নিষ্পেষণ এত বেশি, শোষণ এত বেশি, এত নির্দয় তারা, যে তারা কোনো মানুষকে ভালোভাবে মনুষ্যত্ব নিয়ে বাঁচতে দেয় না। মুকুলে চলে আসাটা এটাই প্রমাণ।
Well, Mamata Banerjee now goes on to say that the fact that Mukul Roy has now returned to TMC is evidence of the fact that BJP does not let their party members live a peaceful life, and that now the fact that Mukul Roy has once again come back to TMC, Mukul Roy wanted to come back to TMC because he wasn't really feeling very welcome in the BJP.
आप पार्टी बदलकर फिर एक बार यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, और ये क्या आइडियोलॉजी है? एक बार आप टीएमसी से बीजेपी में गए और बीजेपी से फिर एक बार टीएमसी में आए।
हम तो बीजेपी छोड़ के तृणमूल में आया है, और अभी बंगाल में जो स्थिति है, ये स्थिति में कोई बीजेपी छोड़ बीजेपी में रहेगा नहीं।
दीदी, माय वन क्वेश्चन इज दैट
না না, কোনোদিনই মুকুলের সাথে মতবিরোধ ছিল না।
আমার সাথে
এসব বাজে কথা।
মতবিরোধ কোনোদিনও ছিল না, আজও নেই, আগামী দিনেও থাকবে না।
दीदी 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 दिस साइड
দিদি দেখুন, ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল এত কোয়েশ্চেন করবেন না প্লিজ। ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল কোয়েশ্চেন করে, এটা তৃণমূল ভবন, এটা আমাদের অফিস। ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল কোনো বিটার কোয়েশ্চেন করে
दीदी
পরিস্থিতি বিটার তৈরি করবেন না।
दीदी देयर आर
আমি জানি কাউকে কাউকে আপনাদের ফিট করা হয় এইভাবে কোয়েশ্চেন করবার জন্য। আপনাদের কিছু করার থাকলে আমায় জিজ্ঞেস করুন, অন্য কাউকে নয়। শুনুন, আমাদের দল শক্তিশালী দল। আমরা যারা ইলেকশনের সময় দলের সাথে খুব গদ্দারি করেছে, মুকুল কিন্তু ইলেকশনের সময় একটি কথাও বলেনি দলের বিরুদ্ধে।
दीदी आई हैव
মুকুল আমাদের দলে এসছে, মনে রাখবেন, মুকুল কিন্তু ইলেকশনের সময় আমাদের দল বিরোধী একটি কথাও বলেনি। যারা ইলেকশনের সময় গদ্দারি করে বিজেপির হাত শক্তিশালী করতে গেছে এবং গদ্দারি করেছে, তাদের আমরা নেব না, এটা আমাদের দলের সিদ্ধান্ত। মনে রাখবেন, চরমপন্থী এবং নরমপন্থী আছে। কিছু লোক আছে যারা হয়তো মুকুলের সাথে অনেকে গেছে, মুকুল চলে আসলে তারা নিশ্চয়ই চলে আসতে চাইবে, সেটার ব্যাপারে দল সিদ্ধান্ত নেবে। কিন্তু যারা গদ্দারি করে চরমপন্থী, অনেক বেশি দলকে নিম্ন রুচির পরিচয় দিয়েছেন, তাদের আমরা নেব না।
Well, Mamata Banerjee now goes on to say that after Mukul Roy said that he did not have any creative differences or political differences with TMC, Mamata Banerjee goes on to say that Mukul Roy even during elections did not say a single word against TMC, or nor did Mukul Roy make any personal attacks against the political party. But Mamata Banerjee now also goes on to say that people, those who had jumped ship, and she terms them as traitors, those who had spoken ill about the TMC party during the elections, recently concluded Bengal elections, they will not be welcome in the TMC, since Mukul Roy did not have any differences with the TMC, and that he did not speak ill about the party during the Bengal elections. Mamata Banerjee welcomes Mukul Roy in the party.
that the West Bengal government should implement one nation, one ration card, as it is for the migrant, and one or two excuses is not going to work. What's your reaction on this?
When Supreme Court gave this verdict? When?
Today it has come.
Huh?
Today itself.
I do not know. Let me see the verdict. Then I'll say.
My question is to Mukul Roy. Are you scared of CBI, that CBI going to take action against you? And my question is to Madam Chief Minister, that what is the ideology? Like the question that
Don't ask me about the ideology. And I told you that BJP will feed you. Some people feed you.
Ma'am,
The question, we are not. Mukul Roy joined, it is final. And from our side, we welcome, that is final. We are not here to satisfy you. I cannot satisfy the BJP media. Ask BJP why they are breaking the party in everywhere. We are not breaking the party. Now there is no situation that we are not majority. It is not that situation like BJP. What BJP do, we don't do it. Whatever we do, it is transparent policy. That it is not that we have the scarcity for membership and all this. That is not. It is his wish. It is his wish, his personal wish. He cannot stay with BJP. BJP is a party. It is not a party for the common people. It is a party for jamindars. It is a common party. It is a party for feudal landlord. And it is a party for only agency. So agency is, it is just mouthpiece of BJP. You people all know, but instead of that, you are asking same question every day. Don't do it.
Madam. Madam, Live 7 say,
He will play the important role. Whatever he played earlier the role, he will play the same role, no problem. Trinamool Congress is a collective family.
मैडम लाइव 7 से आखिर आप मुख्यमंत्री हैं और मुकुल रॉय को आप कौन से पद की जिम्मेदारी देंगे?
That will decide.
और राजीव बनर्जी और सोनाली गुहा ने भी आने की
I am not telling about any others. I think the president.
Ma'am, this side.
Our last question, yes.
Ma'am, I have one question for you, one question for Mukulda. Ma'am, Abhishek Banerjee has made it very clear that Trinamool Congress wants to go national. What kind of role you expect Mukul Roy to play in the national political landscape? Your party has also just now tweeted that Mukul Roy joining is an indication that BJP will fall like house of cards. What do you mean by that?
Actually, he was the vice president of BJP All India Party also. So when he left the party, then it is very clear that he was not willing to continue because the political message is not there. So he is not satisfied to work with them. So he feels that his old party is good and always old is always gold,
What do you mean by BJP would fall like house of cards? More people can come. Are they?
Yes, more people will come.
More member of parliament, ma'am? Member of parliament?
I do not know. Whenever the information will be coming, then we will let you know. From now, I cannot say anything. But I said that who have criticized the party like anything and who have done the betray before election for BJP, for money, for everything, we are not considering them. Only we will consider the people who are gentle, who are sober, and who doesn't who doesn't go for bitterness.
मुकुलदा, I have this question for you. मुकुलदा, आप जब तृणमूल कांग्रेस छोड़ के गए थे, आपके साथ बहुत सारे नेता गए, आप घर वापसी किए, बाकी और आपके साथ कितने लोग आने वाले हैं? आलोचना चल रही है कि एटलीस्ट 4-5 लोग आपके साथ आने वाले थे, आज आए नहीं, कब आएंगे?
Let us see, we will see how many people are coming.
Mukulda, how do you see Shubhendu Adhikari's language?
The press conference is over now.
Okay, that's being seen largely as a huge jolt to the BJP for someone who left the TMC camp, an absolute insider, joined the BJP, was the state vice president for the political party BJP in West Bengal there as well, stayed on there for barely 4 years, and today he's back into the TMC camp. Statements here that have come in both from Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee as well as Mukul Roy, as we saw up on stage here. That special welcome that he has been given back to the TMC. Mamata Banerjee, they're saying that it is his wish that he wanted to leave the BJP and be back in the TMC. She has accepted him back into the party fold. Mukul Roy also adding, of course, a lot of questions were asked on his 4-year stint in the BJP and why he's chosen to come back to the TMC here. Mukul Roy saying that there will be a detailed written statement to answer a lot of those queries on people's mind on this decision that he's taken. Mamata Banerjee saying we have welcomed back Mukul Roy, old is always gold. And Mukul Roy, they're saying that I'm happy to be meeting my old friends again. Remember the circumstances under which he'd left the TMC here. This is when corruption cases, when his name was connected to the Sharda scam and then to the Narada TV sting scam there as well. He was suspended by the TMC for 6 years, and that was 2017. Now, in barely 4 years' time, he's back into the party fold. We have with us our correspondent Tanima getting us further updates here on this in the flip-flops now as this is being seen by Mukul Roy. Tanima, a lot of questions that were asked. This is also basis ideology. Very pointedly, Mukul Roy, Mamata Banerjee being asked about ideology in these flip-flops that have been seen by Mukul Roy. How satisfying have been those responses in this decision that has been taken?
That's right. In fact, he was also asked another question during that press conference on whether he is afraid now of any action by central investigative agencies. Nonetheless, of course, some of these sticky points in the press conference which came up, both Mamata Banerjee and Mukul Roy seemed to avoid it. Especially, we heard the Bengal Chief Minister essentially highlighting how Mukul Roy was one of those people who didn't make any kind of comments against Trinamool ahead of the elections. How she is more miffed by those people who had betrayed her just ahead of the assembly elections. So these are some of the things that we saw Mamata Banerjee, the Bengal Chief Minister, addressing. She also constantly kept on saying that there shouldn't be any questions asked about ideologies. The fact that Mukul Roy has returned, it also shows, according to her, exploitative tendencies of the BJP, since Mukul Roy could not survive over there, which is why he's returned now, and according to her, found mental peace. Very importantly, one more thing that she said, and both Mukul Roy also referred to, and this had been in the murmurs doing in the rounds of the political corridors in Bengal as well, the fact that there are more people likely to return. There were a few names which were taken in the press conference. Mamata Banerjee chose to avoid taking names, but said, reacting to that question by my colleague Kamal, she did mention that yes, that BJP is likely to fall like a pack of cards, like Bengal BJP especially is going to fall like a house of cards, and that there are more people who are likely to return. So clearly hinting at that Mukul Roy is probably one of the big names who's big defectors, from TMC, who had departed from TMC to join BJP back in 2017. But there are more who are also likely to return along, following in the footsteps of Mukul Roy. So clearly a lot to watch out for in that case. But yes, of course, both Mukul Roy as well as Mamata Banerjee not getting into any sensitive questions. Remember that Mukul Roy was holds an important position, both in terms of BJP schemes as well as what he meant for Trinamool back in the days in 2017. So his return and what role he's going to play in Trinamool from here on, that's going to be something to watch out for.
Absolutely, Tanima. These are interesting developments here coming in. And remember, a lot of this that usually happens before elections, but this is post-elections, post a thumping victory here, and these dramatic developments that have come in from the TMC. Tanima, many thanks for getting us those inputs here.